Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Additional Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi inquires into the assault of 3 Khasi by non-tribal group. Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad Sangma inspects the Ganal Hydro Electric Project in Garo Hills of Meghalaya. Aroha Choir Shillong organizes vocal recital at Don Bosco Youth Center in Shillong to raise funds for Ukraine. And Nakati Institute of Computer Education opened in Jowai. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad Sangma today said the state should be able to get additional electricity from the first unit of Ganal Hydroelectric Project in Chibragre in Garo Hills of Meghalaya by October this year. Speaking to the media during the inspection of the project, Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad Sangma said the 22.5 megawatts hydroelectric project will immensely help the people of the state when completed. The Chief Minister said he has instructed the MEECL to further speed up the work so that the long-pending power project could see the light of day at the earliest.
MEECL, especially the generation section, and also the contractors and other suppliers to ensure that the work is completed at the earliest. I have been told that the work will be done very soon, and we should expect that the first unit will be commissioned by October of 2022, and consequently the next 2 units in the months to follow.
The Additional Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, M. Tongper, today made an inquiry into the assault of 3 Khasi persons by non-tribal at Jatalong village in Ribhoi District last night. Speaking to the media, Tongper said the Khasi people were assaulted due to a quarrel over the price of liquor.
Kani kamdi ka problem iru kamdi ka problem komunal kadi tan na kajingya hikyat met langut kena kadan kajingya bom sutho ha kajingya pandor ya kakiat bat kalami komni kajing problem ti kuliah na kadang polis ki Assam polis Meghalaya polis ngiru kila idon sini kontak kila lithiat kita kiba dikiat bat kila lapru kila yo kemlu ka case la start.
Nakati Institute of Computer Education, located at OKB Complex La Thalabo, Jowai, was opened today. Speaking on the occasion, the MLA Wailatmiki Shilla and the General Manager District Commerce and Industry Centre West Jaintia Hills, Pitoy, lauded Wakam Poti, one of the successful entrepreneurs of the state.
Kita jing yo penyana kita jingang di start komputer mah kita ngkong no go arban rumah yo peman gigi kena pro yang ini rumah technologically ready mah rumah kan ini heki kan ini buruk di usul teknologi bukan ni kok kan ini office di rumah paperless kan ni ke rumah kita go motif tu ini sang cuma gobi gua awam mau tahu siapa pemain untuk ini institute teman ga one of smart institute mah for the use the process kuman fully online. Kadok the process admission, kadok yo anos ikna notice syllabus the feedback system hadok.
Aroha Choir Shillong, an internationally acclaimed choir group, today organized a vocal recital at Don Bosco at Limkrad, Shillong to raise funds for Ukraine. Venisha K. Warshong, one of the members of Aroha Choir, who won the prestigious Lilian Dan Lungdo Maulong Award, enthralled the audience with classical and opera songs in different European languages. She was accompanied by renowned pianist Pauline Wajri, who is the founder of Aroha Choir and Aroha Children's Choir and piano tutor. The program was graced by the Provincial of Shillong Province, Father Paul O. Linkot, among others. Aroha Choir expressed deep appreciation to the director of Don Bosco Youth Center, Father Michael Makri, for allowing it to hold the program at the auditorium of Don Bosco Youth Center for this noble cause.
Discreto
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.